Assalamualaikum 10th class. Today we will start the new chapter of chemistry, which is acids, bases and salts. Acids are those substances which can donate the proton, means H positive ion. Bases are those substances which can donate the hydroxyl group. And salts are those substances which are made up by the chemical combination of acid and bases. If we create the reaction between them, then hydrogen has positive charge while the chlorine is negatively charged in hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. Sodium is positively charged while the hydroxyl ion is negatively charged in sodium hydroxide, which is base. As you know that the opposite charges are always attract each other, so this H positive ion will move towards the OH negative ions, and this Cl negative ions will move towards the Na positive ion. So Na react with Cl to form a NaCl, and hydrogen reacts with hydroxyl ion and form H2O water. This is the neutralization reaction. So now we will study what are the differences between acids and bases. So the first difference is the difference of their taste. So acid have sour taste. For example, unripe citrus fruits like lemon juice. So they are sour in taste, while in the case of the bases have the bitter taste and it feels slippery, like soap is slippery to touch. The next difference is of their action towards the litmus paper. Acids turn the blue litmus paper into red, while on the other hand bases turns the red litmus paper into blue. Acids are highly corrosive in concentrated form, while the bases are non-corrosive except the highly concentrated form of sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Both of the aqueous solutions of acids and bases conduct the electricity. The examples of acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, which is also known as the king of the acids, nitric acid and phosphoric acid. While in the case of the bases, the examples of bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice, AlOH whole thrice, aluminium hydroxide. So these were the main differences in the characteristic properties of the acids and bases.